Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing a wig review for Unice hair. I'm showing you guys what they sent over in the package, and today we are working with some color, which I am so excited about. So I'm just unpackaging, showing you guys what the hairline looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the 7x5 Bye Knots pre-cut lace front wig. It's 180% density. So I'm gonna start by tinting my lace. I just added my foundation to the lace so that it can match my skin tone perfectly. I am obsessed with this color. It's so beautiful. It does have a clip in the back, and then it has an adjustable strap, which is great because I'm definitely going to wear this wig glueless. So I just tightened the strap, and now we are going to try on the wig. Look at the different tones of this color. It is so pretty. Like some parts of it, it kind of looks like purplish, kind of looks like burgundy-ish. It's just really cute. Oh, they call it a black cherry. So the color is a black cherry, and it is a layered wig. As you can see, look y'all, it is already cut. Look, I was like, yes, because they did what they were supposed to do. It is already layered and cut so nicely. I'm adding a little bit more of my foundation so that my hairline can match and it can be absolutely seamless. Now I'm going to put my wax stick in the palm of my hand. I'm just going to smooth that over so that I can get rid of like any flyaways or anything I may have. That way the top of my head can be nice and flat, and as you can see, it just looks really nice as I'm going over it with my hot. Look at the scalp, y'all. It looks so good, like so good, and this color is just super pretty. Whenever it came out of the package, the hair was already looking really good, so I'm just going over it very quickly with my flat iron because I really didn't have to do much. Like I could literally just go now and it's already looks good, but I'm just going over with my flat iron because I always feel like that adds like a little something to it, a little more body, a little more ump to it. But y'all, look how just good it looks like already. I didn't have to cut or anything. It just came like this. Yes. So I'm just running my fingers through it, no tangling or anything like that. It has so much body and movement, and this color is just beautiful from all angles. And this is how long the wig goes to me. So it goes down to my waist, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like from the back as well. So pretty. Like the color is beautiful all throughout, which is amazing. And then here are some more up close looks of the hairline and everything. I'm going to run my comb underneath it just to show you guys that it is completely glueless. So I'm just gonna curl it just to show you guys that it is versatile and it does take heat. So I'm just curling the hair starting from the bottom, and I'm going in a backwards motion, and I'm gonna work my way all the way up to the top and all around. Okay, y'all, this is what the hair looks like when it is completely curled. Now I'm just gonna run my fingers through it to loosen up those curls because we don't want them to be like super tight or too uniformed or anything like that. It looks really pretty. Like, I think the curls make the color come out even more. It's just so pretty. This cherry color, yes, it's just so rich or something. I don't know. But this is what it looks like whenever it is all curled and super duper beautiful. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this wig. You don't have to do much to it at all. Oh, and this is what it looks like from the back. And then how long it goes on me on the back and everything. So from all angles, the color is absolutely beautiful. If it's straight or if it's curled, I definitely recommend. So I will leave all links down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.